Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a simple matte lipstick. For this formula, we're going to be working in grams, so you will need a scale. Okay, so I am going to first start out by adding the brown oxide, and I'm adding 2.50 grams of brown oxide. And right now I'm going in with some kaolin clay. I'm adding 1 gram of kaolin clay. The reason we add kaolin clay to the formula is to give it that matte effect. And now I'm going in with the castor oil. I added 4 grams of castor oil to this formula. And now I'm going in and I'm adding 1.50 grams of fractionated coconut oil. And now it's time to add our wax. For this formula, I added 1 gram of CANDELILLA wax. And by the way, you can get all of these ingredients from TKB Trading. Okay, so after I mixed in all the ingredients, I went and put it on the hot plate to melt everything. And I'm going in with this little stick blender to make sure everything is mixed in really well, because we don't want any clumps. We don't want any of the clumps of kaolin clay or any of the oxides to clump up. So make sure you blend everything really good. Okay, so now after everything has been melted and blended up well, I'm just going ahead and pouring it in my tubes. And y'all, I know this is a lip balm tube, but I didn't have any lipstick tubes, so I'm sorry about that. It works the same way, so y'all forgive me. And this is what it looks like after it's finished drying. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a swatch of it. Okay, so look at how smooth this is applying. This formula is really moisturizing on the lips, but it's not gonna smudge on your lips like a lot of creamy lipsticks will. It's still like between matte, but still feels very moisturizing on the lips. If you try out this formula, please let me know what you think. Let me know how it turned out. I will be uploading more videos in the future, so please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching.